The burial of national hero Major General Evaristo Dziwema at the National Heroes Acre was not only a farewell to a distinguished son of Zimbabwe, but also a solemn reminder from President Emmerson Mnangagwa of the injustice that drove thousands of young Zimbabweans in the liberation struggle. As President Mnangagwa emphasized, land was the central grievance, and this historic truth must remain alive at the present and future generations. Kuti bo subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV na bangwa ine mobile mchinsi. President Mnangagwa recalled how families like Ziwema suffered under colonial laws such as the Land Apportionment Act of 1930 and the Land Husbandry Act of 1956, which stripped indigenous Zimbabweans of fertile land and forced them into the overcrowded infertile reserves. Livelihoods were destroyed, livestock and property lost, and many were reduced to cheap labor for the colonial economy. For the Dziwema family, relocation to poor rainfall areas symbolized the wider disposition and robbed Africans of dignity and ownership of their country. He stressed that this history must never fade, especially for younger generations born after independence. Remembering colonial land dispossession is not about reopening wounds, but about safeguarding national consciousness. It ensures that independence, sovereignty, and land ownership are understood as hard-won rights that must be defended. He further noted that the best way to honor liberation heroes is through nation building. A prosperous, united, and peaceful Zimbabwe, where resources benefits its people, represents the constitution of the liberation struggle by peaceful means. As President Mnangagwa told mourners, the story of Zimbabwe's liberation must be told truthfully and faithfully. The sacrifices of heroes like Major General Dziwema must remain etched in the nation's memory, reminding all Zimbabweans why the war was fought and why independence and the land must always be protected. Toma developments are good upon going up in a comment section. We do any more to leave on service. So subscribe or like, want you know the bell icon.